It's me. It's been a long time. I'm coming today with a product giveaway. Now, this product giveaway is a little bit different because this product has been used. So as you could, I've used it a couple times. I would say up to six times I've used it for twist outs. So, but it's still full. Like, it's still really full. This is Carol's Daughter Lock Butter Shaping Pomade Hairdress. It was a good product. It doesn't have what my hair likes. I'm not a huge fan of the smell, and it's not a bad smell. I don't know. It's not for me, and that's okay. Trial and error, people. So I just want to go ahead and give it away to somebody else who can try it, maybe even do a review on it, and let me know how it worked for you. So there are rules. I need you to first subscribe to my channel and enter a comment below. Just simply enter me. The winner will get the Carol's Daughter Lock Butter. And like I said, I've only used it about 6 times, and it's still to the brim, okay? So, there's a lot of use you can get out of it. I don't want to waste it, I paid 25 bucks for it. I'm in Canada, mind you, so I'm sure a lot of you in the States paid a lot less. And I don't want to waste it. I don't want to throw it away. I would rather give it to one of you wonderful ladies and see if you like it. And like I said, it would be nice to maybe see a review or some pictures. Let me know how it all worked out. So yes, subscribe to my channel. Enter in the comments below. Simply enter me, and you will be entered in the contest to getting your Carol's Daughter Lock Butter. So I guess you can call it a product swap. I don't know. Tried product giveaway. I don't know.